EduBang is a next-generation video sharing platform where we are envisioning what the interaction with video contents will be like in the next 10 to 15 years. In creating this interaction, we take into account the ever-growing crowdsourcing on the web, becoming more and more sophisticated and fine-grained, and other computational technologies including computer vision, natural language processing, information retrieval, interaction platforms, UX and modalities, speech recognition, and so on. Here's how it works. A user creates and uploads a video clip to EduBang server along with a title and short text description as practiced today. The video represented here shows the start of the video and the end of the video. The uploaded video is then subjected to a series of computational tools, including face-person detection, indoor-outdoor detection, cityscape-landscape detection, location and eating event detection, speech transcription and summarization, emotion detection, and so on. All this detection results in accurate segmentation of video into meaningful chunks, which will serve as the unit of subsequent playing, commenting, searching, and threading. And each chunk is then enriched with other online users' comments. Another user uploads a video, which again goes through automatic detection process and user commenting on them. Another user, and so on. Now, yet another user this time, instead of uploading her own video, she just uses some other user's chunk along with the comments associated with it. Then another user's chunk, and another user's chunk, and another, and so on, eventually creating her own virtual video threaded by herself, but each chunk created by other users. Now, let's see what the user interaction is like. This is what EduBang app looks like on a future tablet that is thin and semi-transparent. Let's see it more closely. The timeline at the bottom represents how the video currently playing is a threaded video composed of 17 virtual chunks. Let's search some videos now. Search video panel appears here, where the user taps on the microphone button and speaks the query. Let's try. Any lectures on comparing policies influencing US and Singapore related to budget. Such a lengthy spoken query is now semantically understood and keywords are highlighted by advanced NLP technique and catches the user's intention much more accurately. Tapping on the search button then retrieves the search result, and you can see that each entry is a concatenated thread of multiple short chunks. Let's select this one and now load it with a thread representation as a timeline. Touching anywhere around the timeline will show more detailed timeline. This is what it looks like when holding the device and browsing this video. You can slide left and right to browse other parts of the video, jumping into now 1 hour 2 minutes into this video. You can turn off the search panel and comfortably just watch the video like this. Let's see how we can create a new thread. When you tap on the thread videos, the panel appears with a microphone icon again. We will again express what kind of a thread we want to create by speaking the query. Let's try. Compose a video that shows the development of economic theories and maybe some good examples of how they were applied in real world historically. Again, the speech is automatically transcribed, meaning understood, and keyword identified. You can set the duration of the threaded video and set other options, but let's see what happens when you tap on the Go button here. You tap on the first chunk to play it, and it is a newly created video thread based on your query expression. While this is automatically threaded, you can further modify this by adding, swapping, and removing the chunks. For example, let's go back to our previous search result. The third one here had 2 short chunks and you want to insert this into the thread. So you just drag it into any part of the thread, and as soon as you release your finger, it will snap into the thread, making the overall duration increased. Now you can enter the title to this newly created video. Economic Theories in Singapore and USA History. Then tap on the publish icon to make this a new thread available to online users. You can turn off the search panel, turn off the thread panel, and comfortably watch this video like this. In envisioning our future of living with technologies, instead of dwelling on high-level projection and visions, we sketch the details of user interaction in order to help shape it and be more ready what is to come. Thank you.